Alright YouTube, this video we're going to do something a little bit different here. I've actually got a Volkswagen door lock and we're going to pick it using a version 1 old school Lishi. This thing is just a pick, it's not also a decoder. It just fits in the lock. It's got holes that line up where the wafers are. And it's got a little pick here that just slides in. And you just find the holes there, find something binding. If it's binding, you pick it. If it's not binding, you just leave it alone, just like the newer Lishis. These just take a little bit more skill to use. And you're just unlocking the door with these. You're not actually going to be, decoding anything with it. To decode the lock, you'd have to actually do some locksmithing. So we're going to put the Lishi in and apply tension. And I'm just going to start on the bottom here. So we'll just go all the way to the back of the lock. And 8 springy, 6 springy, 4 springy. Okay, 2 is binding. Let's click on 2, go all the way back to 8 again here. All right, go check the even numbers. Click on 1 there, got some rotation. Click on 3. Click on 5. And 7 is springy. Okay, 5, 3 feels set. Go back to 1 here. Yeah, 1 feels like it's binding again here, but it's not going to pick here. Just leave it alone for right now. I can always come back to it. Aha, so 3 that needed to be set here. I hit number 3 and we got it actually picked. So there's a Volkswagen lock picked here with the old school version 1 Lishis. And I think I got a BMW one too. I might do a video on that. If anyone wants to check that out, leave me a comment and I'll find a BMW lock and maybe do that video too. If you have any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And till next time, we'll talk to everybody later.